In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an Xbox gift card. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just getting started, using a gift card can be a straightforward way to enhance your gaming experience. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Xbox and hit enter. This will take you to the Xbox homepage, where you can access all your account features and shop for the latest games and add-ons. If you're not already logged in, the website might prompt you to do so. Ensure you enter your correct login credentials to proceed smoothly. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your account icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select View Account. This section holds all your account details and is where we'll perform most of our tasks today. Next, in the Account menu, look for the Subscriptions option and click on it. This is crucial as it leads us to the area where we can add funds from your gift card to your account. Here you'll find a box where you can either type or paste your 25-character gift card code. Be careful to enter the code accurately to avoid any errors. After you've entered the code, click Next. The system will now verify the code, and once confirmed, it will prompt you to add the balance to your account. This step ensures that the funds are available for you to use in the store. With your balance added, you're now ready to make a purchase. Navigate back to the Xbox Store or Microsoft Store. Here you can browse through a vast selection of games, add-ons, subscriptions, and movies. Once you've made your choice, select the item you want to purchase and click on Buy. This action will open the checkout screen where you can finalize your purchase. In the checkout screen, pay special attention to the Payment Method section. Here you should see your Microsoft account balance displayed, showing the total amount available from your gift card. This balance can be used to cover the cost of your purchase, either partially or in full, depending on the price of the item. Finally, to complete your transaction, simply click Buy or Confirm. The system will process your purchase using the balance from your gift card. And that's it. You've successfully used your Xbox gift card to make a purchase. This process is not only simple, but also a convenient way to manage your gaming expenses. Remember to keep your gift card codes safe and enjoy your new content. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.